Hello, and here we go into a quick dive into this Bitcoin chart. We're going to be just quickly looking at this. Will be the fastest video I think on my channel yet. We're just quickly looking at where you should be entering the market now. It's been crashing for a bit. I don't even say crashing. It's been correcting quite nicely, quite healthily for a bit. Bitcoin now. And if you've been following my Twitter, I really recommend if you're watching this now, just go follow my Twitter. I post every day. I tell you exactly the levels that I'm buying and selling at and what I think is happening next. So that's where you're going to get the newest and latest updates from me, as I can't really put out YouTube videos this fast when the market is so volatile. But this is my quick anticipation of what is happening. We've got these two lines, the resistance and the support, which you can see we've been holding quite nicely. A key thing to look at is the RSI. I think if you don't have this in your charts, get it right now. You can see every time we touch this 30 mark here, which is the zone just before it goes to oversold, we rebound. So you can see here we touched it and we bounced quite a bit here. I think we did 5-6%, and it's been the same every time we've touched this RSI level right at the bottom. Now, also we've got some supports. We've got the 61k, 60k level over here where we found support. If you follow my Twitter again, I call this exact bottom, and this is where I opened loads of long trades on leverage and spot. It's where I bought in with all of my stuff. Now, the next thing which I'm quickly looking at here is a 62.5k level. If we don't hold this level right here, where we have the resistance from back here, we're going to come down to here and retest this 62.5k level. I think we'll find a nice bounce there, as we did here, and I think we'll be heading back to this 65k level, where we'll see what happens. We could, of course, we're going to have some resistance there, so again, some scalps, some shorts there if you want to open them. But I honestly do think this is where we could be breaking this trend soon, and we could be flying up over here to meet this resistance up here, the 70k resistance. Now, of course, if we don't hold this and we come back to 62.5k, if we don't rebound up here, then we could be seeing 60k once more being retested. Again, if we don't hold that, I'm just going to go through all the scenarios. This is the most bearish scenario. If we don't hold this, if we just get the lines here, we got the path. Let's say we don't hold this, we go here, bounce up a bit, and if we don't hold it, we're going to be retesting this line. And if we again don't hold that, then we could be looking at like 55k is my lowest point, I think, right there. And then from here, the bounce will be absolutely massive. Probably at least 8% for Bitcoin. So if you manage to get along down here, if we get there, that would be the best trade you could really make at the moment. If you look at the daily chart as well, that's the 0.5 Fibonacci for Bitcoin as well. So huge supports there at the 56k level, 55, 56, depends on where the wick goes down to. But definitely, I wouldn't be looking at anything lower than this anytime soon, and that would be the local bottom if we got there. Also, this is likely to be the local bottom if we hold this. I honestly, in my personal opinion, I think we hold 60k, but of course there's a possibility that we don't. And if we do hold this level where we are right now, then we could automatically just bolster through this resistance right now and try and retest this resistance quite soon. So just really be watching these levels. This is the number one level, which is 65k, very important. This is where we've seen kind of the most volatility. You can see here we bounced off it and went up a lot, and then when we broke down under the 65k level, we had quite a big pullback as well. So everything from the 65 level is about 5% down, 5% up. So key level to watch, and put down these lines in your chart. They will help you for some quick trades. Like long, if you're using leverage, then that's good if you're a capable trader. If not, I would stick to spot, and if you're just buying with spot, anywhere in these levels is a good time to buy. If you look at the altcoins, look how far they are down. Sure, if you look at the lower time charts, then it doesn't really show you that much. But let's look at Casper, which I made a video on earlier this week. Look at where we are. The 786 Fibonacci level is where we're sitting now. Look how much we've come down. This is a 37% dip. If you're not buying here, then you're doing something wrong. You need to at least be thinking of buying some stuff here. This is a very important level, and it's all on sale. All altcoins are on sale. It doesn't really, you can't really go wrong with buying any altcoins now. If it's Chainlink, if it's Casper, even if it's Parl, if it's anything, Super is one of my top coins as well. Just buy some altcoins now. You don't have to go all in at the moment, but in case Bitcoin does hold this level where we are now, and he does just go up, this is the lowest you're going to see altcoins for a long while, if not for this entire bull run. So it depends on what we hold here with Bitcoin now. But honestly, I think altcoins are the way to go right now. We're kind of transferring into this altcoin season at the moment. As you can see, with Bitcoin reactions from its support, you can see big movement for all altcoins happen when we touch that support. And altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin at the moment when Bitcoin goes up. So definitely be looking at the Bitcoin chart to monitor where the market is going. But I would recommend buying into altcoins to gain the profits from those levels. So that is honestly it. Like, I can't tell you much more. These are my predictions of what can happen, the key levels to watch. Um, all you can do is check it yourself. Watch my Twitter. I'm going to be telling you everything that's going on Twitter, what I think is happening next, and those are instant updates. Like every hour, I'm just going to be updating you what's going on there throughout the entire day. And I've got some really good opportunities there, like the AETH nodes, which Aether now has released to the public. Of course, I've bought some of them. I recommended everyone to buy them as well. It's all over my Twitter. I think it's going to be a huge project. I've got some low cap meme coins there as well that you can just buy into if you need. My number one coin now for meme coin is Poo. This is going to be amazing if we can just get this out. This was a long time ago. I've been predicting this. You see we hit the 786 Fibonacci as well, and we've got this resistance going down here. We can probably adjust that now over here as we've had another low. But once we break out of this resistance, I'm expecting at least like a 50% pump for Poo really quite soon. It's got a huge community behind it, a really good team. This is a verified coin. There's not going to be any rug pulls on this. It is a safe coin to go into, so don't worry about that. But yeah, that is my quick Bitcoin and market update. If you like it, leave me a like down below and leave me a comment if you want to hear any about some specific coins that you want to know about. But yeah, this is a quick update. Follow my Twitter and good luck with the bull run.